Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Welcome everyone. This is Dr. Nadathur Srivatsan, Vedic astrologer. Here I would like to present a video about the Jupiter transit, which has happened on 13th of November 2021. Before we see the results or prediction for each of these zodiac signs or rashis, let us focus on what Jupiter is, and then we'll understand the grandeur of Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and which represents our Purva Punya, and this is after Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and it is that Jupiter will be the fifth planet, and it's about 772 million kilometers from the Sun, and it's the largest planetary object in solar system, which with 1,41,968 square kilometers. Since it is the biggest planet, that it has got a greater impact on life on Earth. And because astronomically speaking, the meteors and comets which are trying to hit upon Earth have been blasted away by the gravitational force or pulled up by the gravitational force of the Jupiter. So we have a word in Tamil, a saying in Tamil, Guru Parka Kodinanmai. The aspect of Jupiter is so auspicious, it brings all the positive things in our life. Since Jupiter is the biggest object, and it refers to the bigger things in our life. The bigger things in our life represents our mentors, our teachers, our gurus, our good qualities, the truth, the faith, the respect, the dharma, the discipline, the spiritual path, and as well as the wisdom, not the knowledge. I hope you make the differentiation between these two. Having said that, Jupiter is called as a Devaguru, and he is also a Dhanakaraka. And Dhana brings more auspiciousness in the materialistic world, and Earth is a materialistic plane, and here we do karma to exhaust and progress. So here, material perspective is also very important. Coming back to the physical feature, since it represents bigger things in our body, it represents our stomach. Our stomach is a bigger one which digests and provides the nourishment for the body to sustain. And Jupiter is also since Jupiter is a bigger thing, and which talks about wisdom, which talks about it represents our higher learning, as well as since it represented our stomach, it represents the progeny or childbirth is concerned. And bigger things in our life also in a material perspective includes a bigger organization, let it be a government or a private organization. And since it represents the wisdom, it represents the educational and financial institutions and government job. And if you look at the significations of planet with respect to object, if you say the biggest animal on earth was elephant. So Jupiter is represented with the animal of, as you can see, he's having there the elephant. Elephant is one of the biggest land animal on earth, and it represents the grandeur of things. So with these few points, let us move on to the Jupiter transit, which has happened on 13th of November 2021. As first, we'll see the basic concepts, and then we'll move on to the zodiac signs. Jupiter represents all of these significations which I've said right now. If you look at a Kala Purusha Tattva, that is the aspect of the houses which we go along. It represents a 9th and 12th house of zodiac sign. 9th house is all about dharma and our teachers and higher learning, and 12th house is all about moksha. So by doing dharma, a person gets to the aspect of moksha. So that is a concept intertwined with respect to the power of Jupiter. So by doing the dharma karya, a person gets elated to the power of moksha. So moksha is possible in this world, and that is why all our ancient seers and rishis and gurus has given the path for us. And it is possible by learning getting the proper wisdom, and that is how 9th house of learning and wisdom come into play. And 12th house is all about house of liberation, which we call it as moksha. And it means that letting go of things. So letting go of things represents our property or materialistic nature, and where we spend money. So it is the house of losses, and we go for a deep sleep. So it is called as a sinus thal. So with these significations, Jupiter has transited from the zodiac sign of Capricorn to the sign of Aquarius, and it is a sign where, as per the zodiac, it is 11th house. 11th house represents the Labhasthana, and it brings overall prosperity and brings fulfillment of goals and desires. So with this background, we will focus on each of the Rashi or zodiac signs and see what is in store for uh, the Jupiter transit for 13th of November 2021 to 14th of April 2021. And strictly we are focusing our attention to the aspect of Jupiter alone. And there could be other transits which would be happening or already transited, and there could be a future transit which is going to happen. So with these things in place, we'll focus the next aspect of each of the Rashis. Thanks for watching.